I've been honing my skills and I'm ready to change my career, but I'm not 100% sure which specific career path I should take. It's very common to feel uncertain about the direction you want to take in your career. You've developed some useful skills, but maybe the first options this has led you to aren't exactly floating your boat. Chapter 1, Lesson 3 of the Gimme That Job course provides the first of several qualities we encourage you to develop. Be flexible and yield to your intuition. Try this. Write down your skills and then make a list of all the possible careers your skill set could lead to. Be open and flexible. Perhaps you'll stumble onto a career that's a better fit for you than the one you initially had in mind. Yielding isn't just something you do on the road when the other car is bigger. Yielding can mean listening to beneficial advice, including your own.